Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. Today we're going to be making a pork banh mi. Like and subscribe. Let's get you started.
You son of a bitch, I'm in.
So to start with, I've already 150. Next we're going to work on a little marinade for the pork. So we're going to start off with half a cup of Hoisin. Then we're going to go 4 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce and 4 tablespoons of the regular dark soy sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. That'll mix up so it's combined. Just pop that to one side. We're gonna grab our pork here. I'm using a pork loin roast, skin still on. I'm just going to score it a little. The flavour's all the way through the skin. And then we're going to simply place the pork in here and just give it a little roll around. Just making sure it gets covered all over. Grab a small baking tray. I'm just going to lift this out and place it in there. Skin side up. Keep the rest of this because we're going to baste it. Baste the pork later on, just throughout the cooking. Now I've got 1 cup of water here. Just going to pour that around the pork. So that's about halfway up. So that's ready. We're gonna tin foil that and pop it in the oven for around 3 to 4 hours, but we're gonna check on it and baste it with this throughout, so every hour to hour and a half. All right, I'll just pop that in. So like I said, we'll check on that every hour to an hour and a half and baste it with a little bit more of the marinade, and then we'll assemble it later on.
That's cute. Whatever, cute.
One of the main parts to a banh mi is the pickled veg. I'm just using pickled carrot, so we'll run through how to make a quick pickle solution and get that prepped. Pickling solution, we're going to use 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. You can just use normal vinegar, but we're trying to be as authentic as possible here, people. So yeah, if you've got rice wine vinegar, use it, but regular vinegar will be fine. Give it a little stir, pop that on to your burner, and it'll take about 2 minutes to dissolve fully, and then let it cool, and then we'll grate a carrot and chuck that in.
Nice.
This smells delish.
Yeah, boy.
So to plate it up, we're gonna cut our bread, have a smear of pate on one side and a smear of mayo on the other side, and pop some pork in the middle. Some of our pickled carrot, a few ribbons of cucumber, some fresh chili, and some fresh coriander. You can also add some of the jus that we've got after cooking the pork to the top of it. And also, if you want a bit more of a spice kick, some good old sriracha. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Ta-ta and farewell.